So you can name it.
Let's name it then. Yeah, sales. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Then show advanced settings.
Yeah.
And switch anyway.
Yeah.
Okay, so sales objectives, that is fine. A/B testing, we don't want any A/B testing right now. So campaign budget optimization, you want to set the budget as we have already did on Facebook. So that is fine. Click on the advanced option.
Yeah.
So there is no need for that. You can go to next button.
Okay.
Okay, add group name. You can put the name here, add group name, like just for t-shirts or sweatshirts.
So now, for my understanding, we had in on Meta, for instance, we had an ad group, and in this ad group we had T-shirts, hats, and sweatshirts. So we would also create here an ad group, and then we have ads of different collections.
Exactly.